Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on a+2hints.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter place values, and the lessons we're going to cover today are write numbers as tens and ones up to 20, place value models up to 20. Then we'll start the chapter time, and the lessons we're going to cover are reader calendar and months of the year. So let's just start with the lesson place values. Here I'm on grade 1 math. Here is the lesson place values, and here I'm on the lesson write numbers as tens and ones up to 20. So we have already started the chapter place values. So basically we have to Okay, so type the missing. We have to type the missing number, right? 110 plus two ones. So here basically the ones and 10 they tell you basically the position of these digits, right? Two ones means two is at the ones position, and one tens means one is at the tens position. Here you can see we have to make a place value chart. The rightmost digit is always a digit that is at the ones position. So two is at the ones position and one is at the tens position. So together they make 12, right? So let's just start with the test question. Okay, you have typed the missing number. You have given with 110, right? You do not have given any digit that is at the ones position, right? You know that the last digit is always the ones that is at the ones position, right? Then first you have ones digit, then you have 10. So tens digit you are given only. You are not given with ones. That means the ones digit is 0. So the digit they make is 10. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? Do not skip any place values. Like here you are not given with ones, but you have to see the rightmost digit is always the ones digit, right? So that means the digit they make is 10, right? The correct option is 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is type the missing number 110 and 9 ones, right? The rightmost digit is the digit that is at the ones position, then you have 10. So you are given 9 is at the ones and 1 is at the 10. So which digit they make? Yes, the correct option is 19, right? The digit they make is 19. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is type the missing number 110 plus 8 ones. So which digit they make? The rightmost digit is the last digit in any number is a digit that is at the ones, right? So 8 is at the ones position and 1 is at the tens position. So which digit they make? The correct option is 18, right? The digit they make is 18. Okay, type the missing number. Which digit they make? 110 and 4 ones, which is the correct option. Yes, one rightmost digit is the digit that is at the ones position, and so that is 4, and then you have 110. So the correct option is, together they make 14. The correct option is 14. Type the missing number 110 plus 7 ones. So which is the correct option? 110s and 7 ones make, yes, together they make 17. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, the next one is type the missing number. That that means 3 is at the ones position and 1 is at the tens. Yes, together they make 13, right? 1 is at the 3 is at the ones position and 1 is at the 10. So together they make 13. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is type the missing number 110, which is the correct option. Again, you are missing the digit that is at the ones position, right? So the last digit is always the one that is at the ones position. You are given only 110, right? That means the digit that is at the ones position is 0, right? So the digit they make is 10. The correct option is 10, right? The correct option is option number 1, that is 10. Okay, type the missing number, which is the correct option. That is 110 plus 9 ones, which is the correct option. Yes, together they make 19. Option number 1 is the correct option, right? 9 is at the ones position and 9 is at the ones position and 1 is at the tens, right? So they make 19. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number 110 and plus 1 1, which is the correct option. So which is the correct option? Together they make, the correct option is, yes, option number 1 is the correct option. Together they make 11. Option 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number 110 plus 6 ones, which is the correct option. Yes, the correct option is 16. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is place value models up to 20. Which number is shown? You have to see, right? You can see you have three counters, right? The three small counters. Together they make three ones, right? Basically, you have to count the counters. So you have three counters, so together they make three, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, which number is shown? Which is the correct option? This is a one complete bar, right? And one complete bar have 10 lines. So together they make 10, right? This line represents 10. Then you have to count these single counters. You have 10, 11, and 12. Got it? So the number shown here is 12. Got it? The correct option is 12. What number is shown? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 5. Just count the counter. So the correct option is 5. What number is shown? Which is the correct option? Okay, this one complete line makes 10, right? Then count the rest of the counters 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, right? So the correct option is 19. It is right. Option number 3 is the correct option. What number is shown? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option, right? What number is shown? Which is the correct option? The correct option is it is 6. Last option is the correct one. Very good. Okay, what number is shown? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, that is 4. Last option is the correct option. The correct option is yes, it is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. Very good. What number is shown? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 10. One complete line makes 10. The correct option is 10. What number is shown? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is 20. Option 2 is the correct option, right? What number is shown? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is 13. It is right. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself here today, right? Let me just move on to next lesson, and we're finished with the lesson place values. I'm going to start the new chapter, that is time, right? Let's just move on to new chapter, time. Here it is. Let's just start with the chapter time. Okay, so here in this chapter, we're going to learn how do we read time, how do we read calendars, right? The months of the year, days, and seasons. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is read a calendar, right? On what day of the June is 24? You can see here is the month name. The first lesson is the days of the week, and here you can see these are the days. So here the line right below the Sunday, these are all the dates that have the day Sunday, right? Same is the here Monday. 7, 14, 21, and 28 have the day Monday, right? You have to see what day of the week is June 24. First, just locate June 24 on the calendar. Here is 24 June. Just look at the same line, the first one. Here you can see it is Thursday. That means on the June 24 you have Thursday, right? That's how you can see the calendar. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, on what day of the week is the seventh day of the week? No. On what day of the week is the seventh day of the month? Right? So just go to the seventh day of the month, right? That means the seventh day of the month is on seventh, right? Go to the seventh and see what date it is. Here is the day, seventh day of the month, right? And on the seventh day of the month, what day it is, which is the correct option? The correct option is Friday. So that means on the seventh day it is Friday. Got it? Today is April 20. What day of the week is tomorrow? Which is the correct option? So here is April 20, right? Tomorrow means the next day. So that is Saturday. That means tomorrow is 21 and 21 is on the Sunday. Yes, the correct option is Sunday it is, right? Tomorrow means the day after today, right? What month does the calendar show? Which is the month? Which month the calendar shows? The calendar shows. You just have to read the month name, right? You can see the top one line represents the name of the month. That is January, right? That means that calendar, the month calendar shows is January. Option two is the correct option, right? How many days are there in September? So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that you need to just see the days, how many days in September, right? So from 1 to 30, there is 30 days. That means in September you have 30 days. Got it? Okay, the next one is on what day of the week does the month end? So which is the correct option? Which is the uh, last? Which is the day on the does the month end? So month end means the last day of the month, right? That is 30. And on 30th November you have Monday. Yes, very good. The correct option is Monday. Okay. On what date of the week does the month begin? Which is the correct option? The correct option is yes, it is Sunday. Okay, Sunday it is. Sorry, I selected the wrong option. Okay, got it. If today is July 10th, what day of the week is it? Which is the correct option? The correct option is on July 10th. Here is July 10th. So which day it is? Sunday it is, right? The correct option is Sunday. What month does the calendar show? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct month option is October. On what day of the month is the ninth day of the month? Which is the correct option? Ninth day of the month. Here is the ninth day. On the ninth day it is, yes, it is Thursday, right? That means on the ninth day of the month it is Thursday. Very good. Okay. How many Mondays are there in March? Which is the correct option? You have to count the dates right below the Monday, right? The correct option is yes, there are 4 Mondays in the month, so the correct option is 4, right? On what day of the week is June 24th? The correct option is that is Thursday on June 24, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, right? And the next lesson is the next one is months of the year. So how many months do we have in a year? There are 12 months in the year, right? So I think you all must know the name. If you don't know the names of the month, you have to recall them and learn them, right? They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. They are the month of the years, right? Yes, there are 12 months in the year. Very good. Okay, which month comes just after? If you don't know, still know the names of the months, you can just see this table and note down this table on your notebook and use this for the questions, right? Which month comes just after November? So just locate the November in the table and see the next month after November, right? So you can see here is the November. So right next to our November is December, right? The correct option is this. So that means the next after November is December, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Which month comes right after October? So which is the correct option? So after October it is September. No, after October it is November. The month that is about to end, right? This month is November, that is right after October, so it is November. It is September is before October, right? After October it is November. Okay, which month comes just after November? Which is the correct option? Right after November it is. Yes, it is December right after November. Very good. Which month comes just after August? Which is the correct option? Yes, the correct option is September. It is right after August. Very good. It is September. Which month comes right after September? The correct option is after September it is. Yes, October, right after September, that is October. Okay, which month comes right after May? Which is the correct option? After May, it is June. Option number one is the correct option. Which month comes just after December? After December, it is January. Yes, correct option is January. Which month comes right after June? After June, it is July. It is the correct option is July. Which month comes just after March? After March, it is April. The correct option is April. Which month comes after January? Which is the correct option? After January, it is February. Option two is the correct option. Which month comes right after April? After April, it is May. Which month comes after July? After July, it is August. The second option is the correct option, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we have started with the chapter place values. The lessons we have covered today are right numbers as tens and ones up to 20. Place value models up to 20. Then we started the chapter time. The lessons we have covered are read a calendar and months of the year, right? Okay, you can complete the lessons by yourself later today. That is your homework until next session, right? Complete their test questions for the lessons we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lessons we just did, you can ask question. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have. any. So please ask questions if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.